Good morning, class 6 student. Now this is your math workbook. We continue chapter 9, data handling. So first is, a data is a collection of numbers gathered to give some information or collection of information in the form of numerical figure. तो डाटा क्या है? कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन का कलेक्शन, कोई भी डाटा कलेक्शन, इसको एक हम डाटा के फॉर्म में, एक टेबल के फॉर्म में सीक्वेंस में अरेंज करते हैं, डाटा होता है. नेक्स्ट इज, डाटा इज द प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ द लैटिन एंड डेटम. प्लूरल है लैटिन वर्ड डेटम का. द डाटा कलेक्टेड डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द सोर्स इज कॉल्ड प्राइमरी डाटा. डाटा जो है डायरेक्टली सोर्स से कलेक्ट होता है उसे कहते हैं प्राइमरी डाटा. एंड द डाटा कलेक्टेड फ्रॉम एन एक्सटर्नल सोर्स इज कॉल्ड सेकेंडरी डाटा. जो मतलब बाहर किसी सोर्स से डायरेक्ट ना आके कलेक्ट होता है उसे कहते हैं सेकेंडरी डाटा. द ओरिजिनल फॉर्म ऑफ डाटा इज कॉल्ड रो डाटा. तो ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में जो डाटा कलेक्ट होता है दिस इज कॉल्ड रो डाटा. Representation of data in the form of pictures are called pictograph. यानी any given data we show in graph form, so it is called pictograph. Picture form is called pictograph. Frequency is the number of times is repeating event occurs. यानी suppose any number repeated so many times, 3 times, 4 times. Suppose 4 number repeated 7 times, so frequency of 4 is 7, because the number of same number 4 repeated 7 times, so 7 is the frequency of 4. Now telemark is a symbol like a vertical bar. So telemark, this is a symbol of vertical bar. A bar graph is a pictorial representation of data with rectangular bar of equal width and length of the bar are proportional to the value they represent. The bars can be horizontal or vertical with equal spacing between them. So a bar graph is a represent, suppose any bar graph so this is the form of bar graph. So we arrange the data, show the data in this form. So these are called bar graph. Numerical row data can be arranged in ascending or descending order. Such an arrangement is called an array of data and array data. यानी when the any given data we arrange in ascending or descending order. So this type of arranged data is called array data. After collection of row data, we make a table with 3 columns. In first column we write the data in ascending or descending order. In second column we put the required number of tally marks to show the frequency of data in collection, and in third column we write a total number of tally marks. Such a table is called a frequency distribution. So these are the 3 table. In first table we arrange the data in ascending order, in second tally mark, and third number of tally marks. So this type of frequency table make. So student, these are the some important facts of this chapter. In next video we will solve worksheet. Thank you.